Global AI Security, aligning with the Bletchley Declaration. On December 7, 2023, a landmark announcement was made by the British National Cybersecurity Centre, NCSC, that sets the stage for a safer digital future. The NCSC unveiled a comprehensive set of global guidelines focused on the security aspects of artificial intelligence, AI, systems. These guidelines represent a pioneering effort to establish a framework that ensures AI systems are conceived, developed, and utilized with robust security measures in place. The significance of these guidelines is underscored by the widespread endorsement they have received, with agencies from 18 countries, including all members of the G7, recognizing the necessity for AI to be developed and deployed in a manner that safeguards consumers and the broader public from potential misuse. The intent behind these global guidelines is clear. They serve as a beacon for responsible AI innovation, steering developers towards practices that prioritize security in an increasingly AI-dependent world. By setting a precedent for international cooperation on AI security, the NCSC has taken a commendable step towards mitigating the risks associated with the use and development of AI technologies. This move is not just about establishing best practices. It's about fostering a culture of security that permeates every aspect of AI, from its conceptual stages to its operational use. The Global AI Security Guidelines are more than a set of recommendations. They are a call to action for the international community to come together and ensure the safe and ethical advancement of AI technologies. The newly announced global guidelines by the British National Cybersecurity Centre, NCSC, have far-reaching implications for the sphere of artificial intelligence, AI. These guidelines are designed to be applicable to a wide range of AI system providers, whether they are embarking on a new AI project or enhancing an existing system. The recommendations laid out by the NCSC are intended to ensure that AI is developed and deployed with a strong emphasis on security, safeguarding the interests of users and the public at large from potential misuse or malicious exploitation of AI technologies. The guidelines are not limited to a particular industry or sector, but are meant to be universal, providing a blueprint for all organizations that utilize AI in their operations. This inclusivity is critical, given the diverse applications of AI across various fields such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. By establishing these guidelines, the NCSC aims to standardize the approach to AI security, encouraging developers to critically evaluate whether AI is the most suitable solution for their service or product. In situations where AI is deemed the appropriate choice, the guidelines further advise on the selection process between developing a new AI model, using and possibly fine-tuning an existing model, or collaborating with external model providers. This decision-making process is crucial as it affects the integrity and security of the AI system being developed. The NCSC's recommendations are comprehensive, covering the entire development and deployment phases and ensuring that AI systems are built with security as a fundamental consideration from the ground up. In the realm of artificial intelligence, AI, the development lifecycle is a critical period where security and integrity must be stringently managed. The British National Cybersecurity Centre, NCSC, has delineated 4 key areas: secure design, development, deployment, operations, and maintenance that serve as the pillars of a robust AI system development lifecycle. These guidelines are designed to foster a security-first approach in AI system creation, ensuring that each phase is underpinned by strong protective measures against potential threats and vulnerabilities. Secure design is the foundation upon which AI systems are conceptualized. It involves a proactive approach to security, where potential risks are identified and mitigated from the earliest stages of design. This phase emphasizes the importance of planning for security, rather than retrofitting it after development, and encourages developers to think ahead about how their systems will be used and the various ways they could potentially be compromised. The development phase is where secure design principles are put into practice. Here, the guidelines suggest measures for securing the supply chain, ensuring that all software components, whether produced in-house or sourced externally, meet the organization's security standards. Developers are advised to maintain rigorous documentation of data, models, and prompts, which is crucial for transparency and accountability. Additionally, managing technical debt, referring to the future costs incurred by choosing an easy solution now rather than a better approach that would take longer, is emphasized to prevent security flaws from arising in later stages. Deployment is the stage where AI systems are brought into operation. The guidelines recommend stringent measures to protect infrastructure and models from compromise, threat, or loss. This includes robust security principles, such as applying stringent access controls to APIs, models, and data, as well as securing the model's training pipelines. These steps are essential to ensure that the AI system remains secure as it transitions from a controlled development environment to real-world applications. Lastly, operations and maintenance are ongoing processes that continue throughout the AI system's lifecycle. This phase involves regular updates, patches, and security checks to adapt to new threats and ensure the system's integrity over time. The guidelines underscore the need for continuous vigilance and improvement, reflecting the dynamic nature of cybersecurity threats. The NCSC's guidelines for AI system development lifecycle are a testament to the importance of security at every stage. By adhering to these 4 pillars, developers can create AI systems that are not only innovative and powerful, but also secure and trustworthy. This comprehensive approach is essential in a world where AI is becoming increasingly integral to our daily lives and the functioning of various sectors. In the realm of artificial intelligence, secure deployment is a critical phase where the theoretical design transitions into a practical application. The new global guidelines released by the British National Cybersecurity Centre, NCSC, emphasize the importance of protecting AI infrastructure and models from potential threats that could compromise the integrity, availability, and confidentiality of AI systems. This protection is not a one-time task, but a continuous effort that spans the entire life cycle of the AI system. To achieve a secure deployment, the guidelines advocate for robust infrastructure security principles. One of the key recommendations is the implementation of stringent access controls to APIs, models, and data. These controls ensure that only authorized personnel and systems can interact with sensitive elements of the AI infrastructure, thereby reducing the risk of unauthorized access and potential data breaches. Moreover, the guidelines insist on securing the model's training pipelines, which are often vulnerable to attacks that can skew the results of the AI, leading to biased or incorrect outcomes. By safeguarding these pipelines, developers can maintain the integrity of the AI models and the data they process. The overarching aim of these guidelines is to instill a culture of security that is ingrained in every stage of an AI system's development and operation. Adherence to these guidelines will help organizations mitigate risks and build trust with users by demonstrating a commitment to cybersecurity in the age of AI. In the wake of rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, the need for a unified approach to AI security has become increasingly evident. The AI Safety Summit, hosted by the UK government, played a pivotal role in fostering international dialogue and cooperation on AI risk management. This summit culminated in the Bletchley Declaration, a significant step towards sustained global collaboration in the realm of AI safety and security. The Bletchley Declaration is not just a historical nod to the site where codebreakers gathered during World War II. It is a modern-day commitment to shared principles and actions. It emphasizes the importance of international cooperation in managing the risks associated with AI technologies. By bringing together leaders and experts from various nations, the declaration sets the stage for a cooperative framework that transcends borders and unifies efforts to secure AI systems. This global initiative, spearheaded by the UK government, underscores the need for continuous dialogue and joint strategies to address the complex challenges posed by AI. It acknowledges that no single nation can tackle these issues in isolation, and that a collective approach is paramount for effective governance and the responsible advancement of AI technologies. The Bletchley Declaration serves as a testament to the commitment of the participating countries to work together in ensuring that AI is developed and deployed with the highest standards of security, and ethics. Humansareincharge.com, prompted by a human, performed by machines.